Hello guys, I'm making my nails pretty with this. Let's start making my nails. It's not here. Can you help me? No, I mean Papa.
Okay.
I can get it out. Just wait. It's stuck. Can you help me? This
Is this a new toy?
yes, and this
Oh,
a nail.
there's a tape here. You need to remove it. Like that.
No, I will help.
Hey. Already
Oh,
open.
great. Now let's open this. Ta-da! Ooh, look. Wow, look. It's stuck. Oh, this one is so pretty. Right? Look at this. Let's get this nails. Oh, rainbow glitter. There's another one. Let's put it right here. Oh, glitter! Look. Glitter, glitter.
Where's the glitter?
What's this? Oh, for the nails. Wait, did I have battery?
Maybe we need to put battery on that.
What is this? Let's
There's
put
a
it.
glitter.
Get some battery. This is for your nails, right? Get some. Oh, and this is for your
What's
nails,
that?
like this for your nails.
Okay.
Oh, next is wait. This. This is so pretty. Is it real? Blueberry.
Nail polish.
Is it real nail polish? No. Blue. Now let's put this battery. So bye. Just wait a little bit.